Now let us start chapter number 4, reconstruction of partnership. In that illustration 8. In this question, when you will read the question at home from the textbook, it is written to make revaluation account, and there are 3 partners and their old ratio is 3:2:1. When you will refer my steps of the previous video, here in short there are 2 notes I have written. First, the items what you see in the old balance sheet have only one effect. And note number 2, all the adjustments what you will see below the old balance sheet have 2 effects. Which 2 effects? One effect in the balance sheet. On the basis of it, I will decide another effect that will be on the revaluation account. Now we are going to solve illustration number 8. Let us start. Page number 123. There are 3 partners, Harish, Dhruvil and Manoj, and their balance sheet I have made roughly over here to take the decision where another effect will be given in the revaluation account. Now the old balance sheet you can see here. Here there is old balance sheet is given in the question. So I am going to just read it out and then after adjustment. The first rule is when I read the adjustment, I am going to put tick mark in the item in the balance sheet which represent this particular figure I have to write in the inner column. Let us start. Adjustment number 1. Land value is increased up to 3,50,000. So put tick mark on land in the old balance sheet. Building value is increased by 70,000. That is building. So by doing so, you can see in my textbook I have just put all the tick marks, which shows me that this figure I am going to write in the inner column. So let us start the sum. First adjustment, land value is increased. So I am going to write in rough balance sheet the land value, and that is original old balance sheet में लिखा है 3 lakh and it's increased up to 3,50,000. So outer column new value 3,50,000. So now tell me, is it increased? Yes, it is increased by how much? 50,000. So this 50,000 I am going to write increase in asset, that is revaluation account credit side by land. The difference figure would be 50,000. Next adjustment, building value is increased by 70,000. Let me write down building. B means building. बिल्डिंग है 4,80,000 और उसकी वैल्यू इंक्रीज हो रही है बाई 70,000. सो प्लस 70,000. आई एम गोइंग टू एड इट अप, सो आई विल गेट द आंसर 5,50,000. दिस 70,000 इज इंक्रीज, बेनिफिट है फॉर माई बिजनेस. सो आई एम गोइंग टू रिकॉर्ड रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट क्रेडिट साइड बाय building. You can see this revaluation, I am writing all the words and there I am just writing in a short. That is 70,000. Next, machinery value keeps up to rupees 1,50,000. So M for machine, its original value is 2 lakh in the old balance sheet and it is said up to 1,50,000. यानी उतना ही रखना है up to word. So here I can see there is a decrease by how much? 50,000. Is it a loss? Yes. So value down हुई है. I am going to write 50,000 on revaluation account debit to machine account, and that is how much? 50,000. Third adjustment, investment value decreased 20%. So I am going to write in balance sheet to take the decision. Investment original value is 1,20,000. and it is written decreased by 20%. 20% यहाँ पे decrease बताना है यानी minus करना है. This will be 24,000. Then after figure would be in outer column. provide 10% BDR and 5% DRD on debtors. Adjustment number 4. तो यहाँ पे मुझे लिखना पड़ेगा debtors का ओरिजिनल फिगर that is 80,000. See this step, very important. 80,000 पहले माइनस करेंगे 10% bad debt reserve. तो 10% bad debt reserve कितना हुआ? 8,000. So answer will be 72,000. तो 8,000 की इफेक्ट ऑन द स्पॉट दे दीजिए इन रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट टू बैड डेट रिजर्व. हाउ मच? 8,000. सेम वे इन्वेस्टमेंट की वैल्यू डाउन हुई है, राइट डाउन टू इन्वेस्टमेंट. हाउ मच? 24,000. अगेन नेक्स्ट कंटिन्यू. 5% DRD discount reserve on debtors minus 5% DRD. 10% 7,200, 5% 3,600. This would be in outer column. 3,600. Another effect, as I told you, increase in liability and provision as per the rule of my lecture. So to DRD it will be 3,600. Next, 50% stock value is decreased by 10%. Let me check 15,000. Stock की जो वैल्यू है स्टूडेंट्स that is 15,000. उसमें से बोला गया है 50% स्टॉक. So take out 50% of this यानी 7,500 is decreased by 10% minus 10% यानी 750 remaining figure. This 750 decrease in the value of my stock would go to where? Revaluation account debit to closing stock or to stock, that is 750. On recorded outstanding expense is amounted rupees 2,000. Record करना बाकी है. Is it my liability? Yes. Is it increase in my liability? Yes. तो first effect outstanding expenses, first effect our liability side, that is 2,000. Another effect, revaluation account debit, increase in liability to outstanding expense 2,000. लास्ट वन, अनरिकॉर्डेड प्रीपेड रेंट, यानी आपने पहले से ही रेंट पे कर दिया है, आपका बेनिफिट लेना बाकी है. तो प्रीपेड रेंट फर्स्ट इफेक्ट बैलेंस शीट, हाउ मच? इट इज 3,000. अनदर इफेक्ट बेनिफिट है, आई टेक यू टू रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट क्रेडिट साइड बाय प्रीपेड. What is written? By prepaid rent. The figure would be 3,000, outer column. So now let me see this. So land 50,000, building done, prepaid rent 3,000 is done, machine BDR, investment DRD, stock is done, outstanding expense is done. So by doing so I have completed revaluation account. I am just going to close it. Everyone look here. Little bit extend these lines so you can show your working of closing, which shows these two lines. Complete your revaluation account. Which side total is more? According to me, credit side total is more. Just have a look on your calci. 1,23,000. Same total 1,23,000 minus all this figure. The balancing figure would be 34,650. This is my closing balance of revaluation account. This I am going to distribute among partners capital account. Let me write to partners capital account. In which ratio? There I have written old ratio always 3:2:1, where there are three partners H, D and N. Let me show you this side, ma'am. Let me show you this working. 34,650 को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है 3:2:1. 3 + 2 5 + 1 6. फर्स्ट पार्टनर नेम इज हर्षिल और हार्दिक, जो भी है. 34,650 into 3/6. Another D 34,650 into 2/6. and then after m 34650 into 1 by 6. When I find it out, when you find out at your home, these answers I'm going to write it over here. It would be 17,325, 11,550, 5775. So by doing so, I have completed revaluation account. I hope you have understood this. So write down homework. After solving this is the homework in your notebook. Homework would be to solve illustration 11, exercise 4, question number 10 and 11. 10 and question number 11. Okay, now let's see the next sum. Thank you. Now, let us start. Same chapter 4, short sum on distribution of reserves and accumulated profit among the partners. This carries 3 marks weightage in your exam. But before solving illustration 10, we are going to see 3 notes you can see on the whiteboard which I have written, which gives you the basic knowledge of solving this sum as well as the next sums. Note number 1. The following items, what you see in this note number 1, all are having credit balance. And to distribute them, these all items will be debited. In short, I would like to say that in 11th standard we have studied that all the reserves, provisions and profit have the credit balance. But if I want to close them, I have to give them the reverse effect, and that is debit. The same rule we are going to follow over here. For example, profit and loss account, profit, general reserve, capital reserve, reserve fund, all are having credit balance as per the rule of accountancy. But here in all these reserves, old partners have contributed a lot and they are having their shares in them. So due to that reason, to distribute these reserves amongst the partner, these reserves will be debited and going to be distributed amongst the partners. So to partners capital account or current account will be credited. So let us see. Profit and loss account debited. Profit, originally it was having credit balance, but I want to distribute it amongst the partners, so I will do debit. Then general reserve account debit, debit column. Capital reserve debited, debit side. Reserve fund debited, tick mark on debit. Contingency reserves account debited, tick mark on debit. Workman accident compensation fund. If any workers gets meet an accident in our factory or in a firm, so in such a condition he would be paid by the partners or the firm. So these are the funds which are specifically meant for particular reasons. So all funds and provisions and profit will be debited and it is distributed amongst the old partners capital or current accounts. Clear? So these items you have to remember that these are having credit balance, but to distribute them I have to give the reverse effect, and that is debit. Now let's talk about note number 2. Following items are having the debit balance because they shows the loss or deferred revenue expenses. So to close them, again I have to credit them and would be distributed among old partners capital account. So how the entry would be passed? The entry would be old partners capital or current account debited to profit and loss account if it is a loss, to advertisement campaign account, to reserve and research and development expense account, in which ratio, old ratio, it would be distributed. So these items you have to remember: P&L account debit balance, advertisement campaign account and research and development. These shows the deferred revenue expense and losses, this particular item. So they are having debit balance, but to close them, I am going to give you a positive fund, and that is credit. Let's talk about note number 3. It says that there is workman profit sharing fund. This is such a reserve which is a liability for the firm. It cannot be distributed amongst the partner. This will come in MCQ. Also, this you have to remember even in solving the sum. Now, this you have to write 2 times in your notebook, and after writing this, after getting enough practice, we are going to solve the sum of 3 marks of illustration 10 of the textbook. Let's start. Illustration 10, 3 mark sum. There are 2 partners, Ram and Rahim. Their old ratio is 4:3. Their new ratio is 1:1. But this is not required, so I have put cancel sign. Next thing, workman profit sharing fund is given, and that is 21,000. And another sentence which is given in the question, that is workman accident, C for compensation, F for fund, is 26,000. But in this firm there is one worker who has claim of rupees 5,000 against it. That is the very important point to be understood. So now here, first be clear about this thing, that is workman profit sharing fund. Here you cannot distribute this fund, but you have to write the note. And this is very important, that workman accident compensation fund, and that is 26,000. But one of the worker has claimed it. So let me subtract this claim of 5,000 from 26,000. So how much amount is remaining? 21,000. This amount, on this amount the partners have the right to distribute. Is it clear? Because 5,000 amount, that is a claim. So that claim is there, still liability. So on this 5,000, old partners cannot distribute this. But minus 5,000, now 21,000, the old partners can take in old ratio. This thing you can consider, and you can see there is dotted line. I have kept it over here, which is going to take you over the 4th point directly. Now, to solve this, in one page you are going to draw this, say, one proforma. The proforma of journals. Journal entry in the book of Ram and Rahim, then date or serial number, particulars, ledger folio LF, debit balance rupees and credit balance rupees. So now here this number shows the question. First question, it is there that profit and loss account, that is debit balance rupees 14,000. When you will read the question in the textbook, it is written like this. Profit and loss account is having debit balance 14,000. So this is debit balance represent what? Loss. तो लॉस का डेबिट बैलेंस होता है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने के लिए, उसको क्लोज करने के लिए अपोजिट इफेक्ट देंगे, एंड दैट इज क्रेडिट. सो आई एम गोइंग टू राइट टू प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट क्रेडिट करेंगे. हाउ मच फिगर? दैट इज 14,000 क्रेडिट साइड. So what should be debited, as it is a loss? So both the partners have to bear the loss equally as per the old ratio, and that is Ram's capital account debited, Rahim's capital account debited to profit and loss account. Narration. Being this fund is distributed in old ratio 4:3. Now I am going to show you in small working how to distribute this. Look at here. The first one is 14,000 is going to be distributed in 4:3. So 4 plus 3, 7. 4 by 7, 3 by 7. So Ram's share in total 14,000 into 4 by 7. Then Rahim's share 14,000 into 3 by 7. So 7 twos are. So 4 twos are 8,000, and here 7 twos are. This will be 6,000. So 8,000 and 6,000 I am going to write. You can see how I have distributed. Second one, the reserve fund credit balance 42,000. That is given in the question. Let me show you with underline. तो ये रिजर्व फंड है. इट्स हैविंग विच बैलेंस? क्रेडिट बैलेंस. तो उसको क्लोज करने के लिए क्या करेंगे? डेबिट. सो माय फर्स्ट एंट्री वुड बी reserve fund account debited among the two partner to Ram's capital account or current. Both you can write. Advisable to write capital because there is no mention over here properly. And then to Rahim's capital account. Clear? Now 42,000 I am going to distribute. Second note, Ram then Rahim. राम का कितना है टोटल? 42,000 में से राम शेयर वुड बी 4/7. Again 42,000 Rahim shares 3/7. This is 6,000. That would be 24,000. Here it would be 18,000. When you do, it will come like this. So 24,000. Debit में लिखेंगे total figure 42,000. Then after 24,000 and 18,000. Did you see this? Being reserve fund is distributed in old ratio 4:3. Serial number 3. Workman profit sharing fund, it is given and that is in the question 21,000. This I am going to write in a note that this fund cannot be distributed among the partners because it is a liability for the firm. This is the part of the answer. Fourth one, workman accident compensation fund rupees 21,000. You know that how it comes. Minus 5,000, so 21,000. So now I am going to distribute which figure? 21,000. This fund is having credit balance. To close it off, I am going to give reverse effect, that is debit. So workman accident compensation fund account debited to Ram's capital account to Rahim's capital account. What is that figure? 21,000. So 21,000 when I will distribute in the ratio of 4:3, the answer would be 12,000 and 9,000. Being workman accident compensation fund is distributed in old ratio 4:3. When I will do the total, it would be 77,000. Close it off 2 lines. So you can see here I have completed 3 marks sum. Yes, it will take a time, but it will provide you the base for the rest of the long sum. I hope you are going to solve this in your notebook. When we will meet, I am going to check the notebook. And what is your homework? Exercise 4, question number 12, that will be in homework. Thank you.